By showing you something really cool. It's kind of an experiment. It uses a number. So someone yell out a number. By the way, this could be done with any number that someone yells out from 1 to 10. So just yell out any number, say from 1 to 10. Yell it out loud. 4. Okay, 4. Who said 4?
Both of us did.
Oh, perfect. That's why I heard it so well. 4. A random number from a random person. Just so that you know that this really is the very same single sheet of newspaper throughout the entire illusion. That's all this is, by the way. It's only an illusion. So try to remember something about the newspaper that you see. It could be a picture or an ad or a headline from within. Also, because you said 4, I will do the illusion exactly 4 times. And this is the illusion, that I'm tearing this single sheet of newspaper. The reality is that I'm not tearing it at all. I'm only making you think that you could actually see the newspaper being torn. And that is the first tear. How do you like it so far? Everyone say, ooh. Ah, very good. Now the first tear is good. The second tear is a little more convincing because with the second tear, not only do you see the jagged edges, but you can actually see the tear as it's being made. That is the second tear. Once again, say, ooh. Ah, very good. Second tear is good. The third tear is great. With the third tear, not only do you see the jagged edges, not only do you see the tear as it's being made, but if you listen, you can actually hear it being torn. Even though it's not actually being torn. And you said 4, the final tear is the best one. This is the one that I think about when I go back home later. I say to myself, I could have sworn, when I was doing that thing with the newspaper in the beginning, I could have sworn that I saw myself holding newspaper in 2 different hands at the same time, but it's just an illusion. The truth is, as I said in the beginning, is that this newspaper has never been torn at all. I only made you think that you could actually see it being torn. It looks like the edges have a way of seemingly healing themselves up, right? Not just on the side, but also on the inside of the newspaper. Which means that this newspaper hasn't been torn once or twice, 3 or 4 times. It's never been torn at all. It was just an illusion.
Wow.
Thanks. Thank you. Good night, everybody.